Alright, thanks for tuning in to the Sport-injected channel. Today I am going to change my front Wilwood brake pads from BP-10 to BP-20. BP-10 is it's their weakest pad, basically just for a street compound. Switching to BP-20, which is a street and track compound. It'll be more aggressive, has a better heat range. So that's what I'm going to do today. First, I'm going to remove the bridge bolts with a 3/16 Allen and a 7/16 wrench. Now I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver just to pry behind the brake pads, just to push in the opposing side's piston a little bit so it'll be easier to come off. So it loosened up, now they should just pop out. And what I'm also going to do is, you can see there's a little bit of a ridge on top and on the bottom just because it straddles the rotor surface, but it's a little more on top. So I'm going to take out one of the caliper shims so it's a little more evenly distributed on the pad. Super easy to change the brake pads on these. Now I'm going to remove the caliper itself with a 7/16 socket. So there's the washers. And I'm going to hang them with the hanger tool like this, just out of the way. So on the post here, there's shims that they recommend. I think there's two that are 30 thousandths. Actually, maybe they're 15 thousandths. So I'm going to take one of them out on the top and the bottom. Put one back. Bottom, one back. Okay, so now I'm going to clean the caliper of any grease that may be on there, or just brake dust, just general cleaning. I'm just going to use some Simple Green on the rag for that. Now I'm going to remove the rotor, and I'm just going to sand down the surface of the rotor lightly. So I'm just using my Milwaukee orbital sander with a 100 grit pad. And I'm just trying to get the shine off of it, basically. That's what's working. I'm just going to use a regular piece of sandpaper, and it's 120 grit. Just go over it once quickly. Alright, same thing to the other side. Alright, now spray with a brake cleaner. Now you want to be careful not to touch the surface with any grease. I just try to avoid it altogether. Alright, now time to reassemble. Rotor back on, and I'll hold it in place with a couple lug nuts. The caliper back on. Two washers. Two nuts. So they say torque to 30 foot-pounds. My torque wrench that goes in down to that range is broke, so I'm going to guess it, and when I go out and get another torque wrench, I'll come back and recheck them. Click. Click. That should be good. These are the new pads. Same shape, obviously. So I'm going to apply a little bit of brake lubricant just to the side here on both pads. One. Slide this pad in. I'm just going to loosen these lug nuts so I have some play in the rotor. There we go, pops right in. Alright, both pads are in. Now I'll reinstall the bridge bolt. That's it. Now new brake pads in. Rotors just sanded down slightly to get any contaminants from the old brake pads off. Shims adjusted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time.